Hey everybody, it's the Costco Samurai. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Halloween at Costco, Japan, where the staff is fully dressed, passing out candy and snapping fun photos for everyone. From spooky costumes to Costco treats, let's see how this beloved holiday takes on Costco twist here in Japan. Stick around, things are going to get beautiful. As I was running low on water, you know I had to swing by my favorite Wakayama Yuasa water, only 388 yen for a case of 6 2-liter bottles, and let me tell you, nothing else quite compares. Crisp, eco-friendly, and the best part, they finally lifted the 1-case limit, so today I'm grabbing 2 cases to keep the cart fully stocked. Hydration, here we come. And we have Tefal. Cook for Me Express 6-liter. It's a versatile, fast-cooking multi-cooker rated at 4.2 stars and now priced at 15,980 yen. Yes, it has 210 built-in recipes. It's perfect for whipping up quick meals, many in under 15 minutes. Ideal for cozy Japanese dishes like my favorite, Gyu Suji ni Komi. It offers multiple cooking modes and keeps food warm for hours. Some users find it tricky to clean due to the non-detachable lid, but overall, it's a strong buy for the price and convenience. The Staub Kokot de Gohan, 20 centimeters in blueberry, priced at just 14,198 yen, is a must-have for rice lovers and home chefs alike. With an impressive 4.8 star rating, this pot is designed to elevate rice cooking by up to 53%, fluffier than traditional clay pots. Its unique design circulates heat evenly, and the aroma rain lid feature reintroduces moisture, enhancing flavors with every dish. Versatile for soups, stews, and more. It's durable, beautiful, and a favorite in Japanese kitchens for that perfect glossy rice finish. I gotta get this since the weather is starting to get colder. The Dickies men's lounge set, priced at just 2,798 yen, combines comfort and style with a cozy fleece lining, ideal for lounging or as sleepwear. This 2-set piece, available in gray or black, includes a sweatshirt and sweatpants with side and back pockets for added convenience. With sizes from medium to extra large, it fits well across different builds. L, recommended for 175 centimeters, 70 kilogram frame, made from durable polycotton blend. This set resists pilling and ensures warmth. Perfect for colder seasons.
This is so very nice for relaxed wear. Maybe a large would be fine for me, but very nice for the winter holidays.
As I roll into the dairy room, there they are, the reliable 20-pack of eggs stacked in neat rows, each case glinting under the cool lights at 478 yen. It stings a bit more than I'd like, but these golden yolks are worth it. Here's hoping the price decides to show us some mercy soon. A little drop would make these morning omelets and tamago kake gohan feel just a touch more satisfying. Oh, we have a new packaging for, wow, look at this. New packaging for blueberries. That's not Townsend. This is Blueberry Paradise. And look at the price, 1,998 yen. Now just 9 months ago, you can get this for 1,098 yen around. Now it's 1,998 yen, ladies and gentlemen. Blueberries are at its ultimate high. And of course, stick pineapples from the Philippines, 1,098 yen, stick pineapples. Very popular. I don't know, the pineapple slices look a little bit smaller now. Is that me or is that... I don't know. Looks like I was wrong. The new item in the food court for Costco is Minestrone Soup. Minestrone Soup, 450 yen. That's the newest item. Let's check it out at Costco. Great to see the prices are still okay. So here's the big reveal, the Minestrone Soup, new at Costco, Japan. Let's check it out. There we go. Looks like a very nice tomato base. You got your ham or bacon, potatoes, onions, and beans. Very nice. It kind of has a smoked ham flavor to it. Tomatoes, you can taste the onions and everything like that. And I like to add the diced onions for some topping to add some more onion dimension to it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this look at Costco's new Minestrone Soup, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tasty updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried it yet? Until next time, keep exploring delicious eats and stay warm this season. This is the Costco Samurai. Bye, bee.